This pasta dish is very easy to make, but it's so packed with flavor. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today, we're making wild mushroom pasta. We have a few ingredients that we need to prep, so let's start with that. We're gonna start by finely dice 2 shallots. Then we're also gonna finely dice a bunch of chives and set aside. Everything is now prepped. Let's get to cooking. We're gonna add some olive oil to a hot pan. Next, we're gonna add about 3 pounds of wild mushroom. We're using chanterelles. We're gonna saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we wanna add the shallots and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're gonna season with 1 to 2 tablespoons of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. You wanna cook this for another minute or so. Then we're gonna add a cup of white wine and let it reduce. We're also gonna season with 2 tablespoons of a smoked soy sauce. We're gonna add a couple of sprigs of thyme, and then we wanna add 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream. We also wanna add the chives. Now we need to cook this until the sauce thickens. You can add more heavy cream if needed. We're gonna moderately salt a pan of water. To infuse even more mushroom flavors to the pasta, we're using Pappardelle Porcini Mushrooms Pasta. We wanna cook this until just before al dente. Then we're gonna add the pasta to the sauce and let it incorporate for a couple of minutes. We wanna scoop the pasta on a plate. And then of course, we wanna season with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. And then this beautiful pasta is ready to serve. And that is how I make my wild mushroom pasta. And let's try it. Smells amazing. This is so stupidly good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. I love this.